It's deep, hard-hitting, inside from corridors of social and political power, factual and humorous. It's Frontier Public Speaking Forum every Wednesday. Come and join Frontier.
We are going to look at unemployment. I have tried to make research about the causes of unemployment in this country, and I've come up with some factors. Factor number one, I found out that the government of Somalia does not award what you call pension to its servants. Pension, this is the amount of money which is paid to someone who has been serving a company or a government and is soon to be retiring. When you say I'm going to retire, in European countries, once you're working and you clock 60 years, you will retire from work. If you become so ill, you are a government worker and you become ill, they have to make you retire. Then the government will give you some money to help you in your future. In our country, there is no pension at all. So you find like the seniors who are good to us, they are still serving the nation, they are still serving the society, earning the amount which should be earned by the Somali youth, but you find the job that you would be working is taken by someone who is old.
What the meaning of unemployment? Let me understand. Because everyone who hears the unemployment can believe if you are not working for the government, you are the unemployment. No. If you are working for your mother without any salary, you are the employer. You are the employer. It's exactly the way. If you are looking for the way of unemployment rate, and unemployment environmental, it's exactly. So there's no one who unemployment in this country. Everyone works. Everyone works. Without reason. Wait, listen for the reason. If you are learning for education, you are the worker. Because you work for your future.
I'm a student.
You are the
right?
student. Yeah.
Like this one, like Ayub and others. Yes?
Yeah.
Like here, they're all.
Yeah.
They are students here.
Yeah.
Question, are they employed or they are unemployed?
They are unemployment. They are unemployed.
Before you said.
Because they lying for something. They are not ready. They are not reach the time they work. So you have to wait your time to get the time you work. Because still I am young and he's young. He wanted to work. So which position did he work? Do he work?
He's still a student. He can't work.
So wait your time to get your time to work.
Now, wait. Okay, that one is a student in Frontier.
Yeah.
I have finished Frontier University.
Yeah.
Like my course is over. Like you. Now, do you have work or you don't have work?
I work.
You work?
Yeah. Still.
There are other people who don't work, right?
Maybe few. Maybe few.
More.
Not few. Because let me.
Those few. How can we solve
The problem
of that problem?
Yeah.
People live in Holland, most of them, they work in the government, somewhere else, those are. That's it. How about those people who live in Canada, somewhere else?
And as we know, now we are suffering about less of security. So our government is suffering and trying to make the security good. So she's so busy about this side. We can say even about security, if you get a job from the government, you can't work somehow. So if the government becomes strong, we can get more jobs from there, and we can make lower for this point.
It happiness with your knowledge person to turn for work after being rejected. The problem is who is the work didn't enough acknowledge.
But there is some people who come from the Togo, come from abroad, and whether they Somali, whether they Korean, they tell this our teacher, they are Korean. And they come here, and they from the door. So, the question is, can we say they are Somali citizens, they are careless, they don't want to talk?
Yes.
But the opportunity they have it, but it's a proper.
Foreigner found or get a job or find a job, they easily get a job, but the citizenship can't able to get a job as easiest way, because we believe a foreigner what they are, what they from, and they always like foreigner as we all Somalis.
Yes, when English teachers who are Somalis, you know.
There are many.
There? Where are they? Where are they? Huh? So yes.
But they prefer to come where the foreigners teaching English.
So why is it that they tend to prefer them rather their own? Do you hate yourselves? No.
First of all, I'm sure that many Somalis, they don't like foreigners. Because Somalis, they live all over the world. They work, they live, they do whatever they want. But when the foreigners come to Somalia, they complain, they say, these foreigners, they take our jobs. So, but when we look at why Somalis prefer foreigners, it's obvious, because foreigners, they are skilled, professional. They have skills. In Somalia, we just focus on side of theory, but in practice, what we have learned, always we get from foreigners. I think that's the point. Foreigners, they are experienced, they are professionals. Yes.
It's deep, hard-hitting, inside from corridors of social and political power, factual and humorous. It's Frontier Public Speaking Forum every Wednesday. Come and join Frontier.